The Reserve Bank of India has announced a major relief for people affected by digital payment fraud. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra said the victim of online fraud may soon receive compensation of up to 25,000 depending on the type of case and how quickly it is reported. The announcement was made in Mumbai, where the RBI said it will recommend several steps to strengthen the safety of digital payments and protect customers from financial losses caused by online scams. According to the RBI, cases of fraud involving UPI, debit cards, credit cards, and net banking have increased sharply. Many users lose money due to unauthorized transactions, phishing calls, fake links, and online impersonation. To tackle this, the central bank plans to introduce new draft guidelines. These will focus on preventing mis-selling, improving loan recovery practices, and clearly limiting a customer's liability in digital banking fraud cases. One of the key proposals is to define customers' responsibility more clearly. If a fraud is reported quickly, bank may be required to compensate the customer for losses up to 25,000. The RBI has also directed banks to improve customer awareness, strengthen fraud detection system, and ensure faster grievance redressal. Financial institutions will be asked to train staff better and upgrade technology to detect suspicious transactions in real time. Along with customer protection, the RBI is focusing on financial inclusion, urging urban cooperative banks and non-banking institutions to expand services while improving digital security. In another update, the RBI revised India's economic growth forecast, stating that GDP growth remains strong due to stable demand, rising investments, and better credit flow. The inflation outlook was raised slightly because of the higher prices of essential goods, but the RBI assured that inflation is under control. Overall, the RBI message is clear. Digital payments are the future, but safety comes first. With stronger rules and compensation of fraud victims, the RBI aims to build trust and confidence in India's digital economy.